Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, turn the TV on and grab the remote because the change is in Settings. Once done, press Home to open the Hub menu and navigate to Settings. This is where display options live. If you use SmartThings, make sure the TV is reachable on your network. It speeds access and confirms model-specific options. You need to know the TV model or Tizen version only so you can find the right menu labels quickly. Keep that in mind as we move to picture controls. Now navigate to Settings and open Picture. This is the primary area for dark or dimming features. You'll check Picture Mode, Expert Settings, and disable any auto power saving or eco sensor that dims the screen. If you don't see it there, go to General and open Accessibility. Options like High Contrast, Negative Image, or Smart Display can mimic dark mode and must be toggled off. Also inspect ambient mode and backlight settings on newer models because manufacturers sometimes relocate dark. Finally, toggle off dark mode or related options, then apply the change and watch the screen immediately. This confirms success. Make sure to restart the TV after changing settings. That clears temporary profiles and forces the new display behavior. If the image remains dark, reset picture settings to default or check for a firmware update in support. Outdated software can lock display features. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, try a factory picture reset. It solves most setting conflicts without affecting apps or network info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.